I once calculated that I had to switch between different screens over 200 times on average every day. My brain was like a chaotic room that could never get rid of notifications. I read an article about attention economics. It is said that our attention is being sold as a commodity. I filled up with this feeling, so I decided to conduct a 3-day experiment. In that 3 days, when I feel overloaded with the information or I can't focus, I will leave the screen and contact BaDuanJin to give my body and my mind a brief relaxation. On the first day, I felt a bit silly, and my movements were not smooth. But interestingly, during these 5 minutes, I forced myself to only focus on my body. Even though it's just a short session in the room, I still felt relaxation in my body. The next day, I began to notice what I had overlooked before, the warmth of the wind blowing my face and comfort of the sun shining on my body. It was amazing that during that time, the idea of the report that I had been stuck on before seemed to clear up a little bit. On the third day, it was no longer a task, but turned into a toll, just like being thirsty and needing water. When my mind gets mixed up, I spend 5 minutes sorting it out. It has completely become a part of my life. I think this experiment didn't make my to-do list disappear, but give me a brain pause button. BaDuanJin is kind of exercise that can provide both physical fitness and relaxation benefits regardless of where you are or what clothes you are wearing. BaDuanJin through 8 consecutive movements, it structures your body and improves your breathing. It helps enhance the circulation of the blood within your body, thereby achieving the goal of strengthening your body and maintaining good health. It is mainly a simple form of body language, telling your nervous system, "Hey, it is safe to relax now." Seeing you here, why not step away from the screen and try it at your desk?